Uric acid is produced as a result of the breakdown of a chemical named purine by the human body. Uric acid is naturally filtered through our kidneys and urine. Some of the foods that we eat in our daily routine also contains a great amount of purine. But if a person consumes too much purine, then as a result, the uric acid starts to build up in the blood. When the level of uric acid increases, then a person suffers from gout, that is a very painful disease in which uric crystals get accumulated around the joints. You must use healthy foods to reduce uric acid naturally. You can reduce uric acid by making some changes in your diet. Those who want to know how to reduce uric acid from your body will find valuable information in this video. Number 1. Stay away from purine-rich foods. Purine-rich foods will increase the levels of uric acid in your body. These foods include mutton, pork, turkey, kinds of seafood, cauliflower, dried beans, mushrooms, and so on. Make sure you limit the intake of these foods because when your body will break down purines, then it will produce uric acid. Lower purine food will be helpful in this regard. Number 2. Avoid sugary foods and beverages. When your diet has sugary foods and beverages, then you will have fast absorption of this food. These added sugars in the food will increase your blood sugar levels. As a result, the amount of uric acid is likely to increase. So, you must avoid sugary and processed foods such as corn syrup, sweetened cereals, candies, and so on in order to reduce uric acid. Number 3. Cut down the intake of alcohol. The people who are habitual of drinking too much alcohol are likely to get gout attacks. When you drink too much alcohol, then you become dehydrated, and as a result, the uric acid levels in your body are raised. So, if you want to reduce your uric acid level, then you must avoid drinking alcohol and sweetened juices. Number 4. Stop the use of medicines that increase the level of uric acid. It happens that we normally take medicines and supplements in our daily routine for various health benefits. But one must know that use of diuretic drugs will ultimately increase the uric acid level. You need to keep a check on your blood sugar and ensure the balance of insulin level. So, you need to discuss it with your doctor and then he will guide you for food. Number 5. Weight loss. The people who are overweight are under a greater risk of gout. Too much weight makes it difficult for the kidneys to flush out uric acid from your body, and as a result, the uric acid levels in your body are raised. Make sure you eat healthy foods and stay away from high-fat dairy products. Number 6. Cherries. If you want to stay away from the risk of the gout attacks, then you must add cherries in your diet. Cherries are anti-inflammatory in nature, that is why they not only help to reduce uric acid levels, but also prevent uric acid from forming crystals in your joints. Number 7. The use of vitamin C supplements. Vitamin C supplements are a good way to lower uric acid levels. It will also lower your risk of developing gout. You need to discuss the right dosage of vitamin C supplements with your doctor to reduce uric acid. Apart from that, vitamin C enriched foods such as kiwi, oranges, and lemon will also help us to maintain uric acid levels naturally. Number 8. Stay hydrated. You need to include lots of fluids in your diet to flush out uric acid from your kidneys. Don't forget to keep a bottle of water with you that you drink it from time to time. Being hydrated enough will help your body to control your uric acid levels. Final words. High level of uric acid leads to various health issues, and gout is one of them, in which uric acid forms crystals in your joints, causing inflammation and pain. You must include healthy foods in your diet that help to lower uric acid levels. Apart from that, making changes in your lifestyle will help you to improve this condition naturally. Make sure you use only the prescribed medicines by your doctor, otherwise you will have problems related to high uric acid levels. Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.